Today we're making Sweet Munch, a family favorite snack mix. Welcome to Time with Mary. I'm so glad that you could join me today in the kitchen, and hope that you'll enjoy this recipe called Sweet Munch. Now, Sweet Munch is one of my children's favorite recipes. I typically make it at Halloween, which is the same time period as my youngest birthday. But he's been asking for it and suggested that I put it up on the channel, so I thought, well, why not go for it? Now, Sweet Munch has a base of a cereal, Fritos, and nuts, and then you make kind of a caramelized glaze of Karo syrup, butter, and brown sugar. So let's go ahead and get going with this Sweet Munch. You'll notice while I'm making this, I am using double the ingredients you see on my recipe card. I always make a double batch because this is a total crowd pleaser and it will disappear quickly. For the base, you'll need 1 box of Crispix cereal, 1 bag of original Fritos corn chips, and nuts. I'm using roasted peanuts today, but cashews or mixed nuts work great as well. Spread all of that out onto several cookie sheets and keep some plain M&Ms nearby for the finishing touch. Now for the glaze. In a saucepan, melt together 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of brown sugar, and half of 1 cup of Karo corn syrup. Once the butter is all melted and the ingredients are blended, let it come to a boil. And then allow it to boil over low heat for 1.5 minutes. Keep stirring the entire time. This glaze gets thick and glossy quickly. Carefully pour the hot glaze over the dry ingredients. The cookie sheets will get hot from the glaze even though we haven't baked anything yet, so be careful of that glaze temperature. Put the cookie sheets into a 300-degree oven for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, open the oven and again watch out for that hot glaze and give everything a good stir. Coat any pieces that still look dry and rotate your cookie sheet so everything bakes evenly. Back into the oven for another 8 minutes at 300 degrees. While that finishes baking, prep a large space on your countertop with wax paper. Spray the wax paper with cooking spray so nothing sticks. Transfer the hot Sweet Munch onto the wax paper and spread it out so that it can cool. While it's still warm, sprinkle on your M&Ms. You don't need a lot, they add color and a little chocolatey bite, but the mix is already pretty sweet without them. Once the Sweet Munch has cooled, move it into an airtight container. We've used the same blue bowl for over 20 years. My kids know that when that bowl comes out, it's either Sweet Munch or taco salad. And that's it, Sweet Munch. It's perfect for gatherings, parties, holidays, or honestly, just snacking around the house. Don't be afraid to use generic ingredients. This recipe is super forgiving. It's crunchy, sweet, salty, and always a hit. So thanks for hanging out with me today. I always love sharing these family favorite recipes with you. And if you enjoyed the Sweet Munch, please feel free to check out more of my budget-friendly treats and easy homemade recipes. See you in the next video.